Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to the vlog, man. It's K510 and you're watching K510 Automotive Group, man. So today, man, as usual, trying to make more progress on my 540. Today I'm just gonna be replacing my engine mounts, installing my front LED halo headlights and my tail lights, and I think I'm gonna, if I have time, I'm gonna try to do my transmission mounts. So yeah, so far I got the engine mount out already. This is my old engine mount. Thing was blown. This is the replacement right here. Thing's supposed to sit like this with that, like that. All right. So this is why this jacked up the motor with a block of wood and pulled out the mount. I also got trans mounts too. I'm not sure if they're bad, but might as well replace them. Yeah, these trans mounts. Yeah, I wasn't sure if I wanted to record anything, man, because I was just on a time crunch to get this stuff done. Trying to hurry up and make more progress so I can actually drive this thing, you know. But I also found more stuff to fix, man. It's like it's a never-ending story when it comes to cars, man. Like, and I had a lot of cars in my time, but even with this one, man, I still have to fix this power steering reservoir. It's leaking, where the hoses are leaking, and then I just found out that the oil filter housing is bad. The bushings are bad for it, and yeah, man, slowly making progress, man. I'll cut back on the camera in a little bit. Let me try to knock these mounts out. And yeah, man, thanks for watching the channel. Thanks for subscribing. Thanks for all the support on this, even the views, dropping a like, dropping a comment, just being interactive with the channel. I appreciate all that. And if you're not subscribed, make sure you subscribe to the channel. And I do have over 40 something videos on my channel, so if you new to the channel, you can check out all my playlists, all my videos I got uploaded already. Get kind of familiar with the cars I have and my whole mission on this channel, you know what I mean, like my whole movement or whatever. And yeah, man, a nice video to check out to get you guys familiar with me is K510 Automotive Group intro, the introduction. That really is like me just being honest with you guys, and then you know up front who I am and what I'm into and what to expect on the channel. So yeah, man, thanks for all the love and support. And I'm gonna cut the camera back on in a little bit. All right. Hey guys, these are the old mounts. The new ones are in already. But one thing, well, what else we got finished today? We put the fender liners in. Keep out the moisture and stuff out the headlights and stuff. And we're installing the rear tail lights right now. So you got the after. Oh dang. Oh yeah, we got before. Let's show them the before. The before and after. I really like the way these turned out. Like, they look really nice.
In about 5 minutes, you're gonna have the all after.
Yeah, man. All right, man. That's just a little checkup, man. A little check-in.
Yeah, just a look at tears.
Yeah, man. I mean, thanks for watching this video, man. This is a very short video, but we're gonna have to chop up this content, man. Make a couple of more videos, man. And probably next video you probably see the headlights going in. And I gotta replace this window regulator, so slowly but surely we're gonna get this thing all the way right, man. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and
Stay tuned.
And stay tuned for more content, man. Peace. Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome to the vlog, man. It's K510 Automotive Group, and today we're doing more work onto the E39 540. So today, what we got, man? We gotta replace the left rear window regulator. So that's what I'm about to be doing right now. And then afterwards, we're gonna install the front headlights. So we the last clip, we installed the rear tail lights. So yeah, man, we got a lot of work to do. And yeah, today is definitely a beautiful sunny day, so we're gonna take advantage of that. So, all right, man, we'll get back to you in a little bit. Yo, what's up, guys? I know, man, it took us all night to get this thing ready, man, but finally we got the halo installed. Let me show y'all that the window's working too, man. So we replaced the rear passenger, the driver's side rear window. So let me just start this thing up, man. Working fine as one. And the back window working now, you know. So good on that. Replace the window regulator. The old window regulator was bad. This thing was junk. Yeah, they replaced that thing, man. Get all that shit out later. You can check out the new brake lights too, man. Also got the LEDs on the back. Badass. Let me put the turn to you. I get the front one more time, man. I love the way these joints turned out, man. It's not like a it wasn't like a expensive buy, but like for what it cost, definitely worth the quality. Like a full ring, I'm just gonna be riding around like this. With the LED strips on it, man. These joints pretty flavor, man, for the price, man. Can't beat it. Well, anyways, that's it, man. It's time to call it a night. Thanks for rocking with me, man, and make sure you like and subscribe to the channel. And that's it, man. Peace.